Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to start working on this. I guess it's the front radiator panel, breakfast panel on the Series IIA. You can see it's really rotted away down here at the bottom. I'll lift it up here and you can see this side. It's toast, but I don't think we're gonna, I think that we're going to replace just the bottom part of it, even though I have this really nice replacement panel that I got from Rovers North. And I think what we're gonna do is cut away a portion of this from here to here, and maybe up here. The corners are pretty good. So we're gonna replace just this bottom piece and cut this replacement piece to fit. Okay, I've measured the distance from the center hole to the top, and it's 19 inches, and I've written that down along with the center right here. And I'm gonna measure the other hole, which is right here. Kind of an angle there, but that's also 19 inches. So it looks like we're about 19 inches over here. It's down. Yeah, it's about 19 inches all around. I've marked off where we're gonna cut. I'm gonna cut down here because this is good metal over here. I'm gonna see if I can salvage that, something to weld to. And do the same thing over here. And we'll see how that works. Okay, I've gone a different route. I've cut even more metal from the back, but this looks like it's gonna measure out just fine. It's 19 inches down to the center hole, right up to the top. And I'm going to trim these pieces off here and do butt welds within each of these. And on the side here, I've had to pound this out, but I'm going to end up cutting that off as well. So we'll see how it works. Okay, we've changed things around a little bit. I've cut out more of the panel at the bottom, and I'm going to tack weld these pieces in on the lower frame. I've sanded them down or ground them down so they fit, and had to take off the side pieces as well here. So I'm gonna hook up the welder right now and put those spot welds in, and then we'll do some cutting. Okay, the tack welds are in, and I'm getting ready to cut the final butt joint here and start welding across. All right, I've ground out the temporary welds in there, the spot welds just to hold this, and now I'm going to do some more spot welds in here and make a final pass. See if that holds. It does. I'll end up grinding these down to be smooth after I put a series of welds in there. It's important to let this thing cool to the touch so it doesn't warp the panel. Okay, it looks like we're done. Pretty smooth welds there, not so good there. Down here, that's pretty good, and that's pretty good too, and they're all straight, and all at 19 inches deep. I'll be putting some filler into that second one, but otherwise it looks good to go.